I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure the console is on, connected to your router, and signed into the same Microsoft account as your PC or phone. Next, install the Xbox app or console companion on the client device. This gives you the interface to connect. Once done, enable remote features on the Xbox under Settings, Devices, and Connections, Remote Features, so the console accepts streaming or app control. This initial alignment prevents sign-in and permission errors later. Now move into connecting and fine-tuning. Open the Xbox app and pick the console section, then add a console or connect directly by IP if the app doesn't auto-discover. Make sure both devices share a fast network, prefer 5 GHz Wi-Fi or wired Ethernet, because bandwidth and latency determine responsiveness. Once connected, customize streaming quality in the app settings. Choose resolution, frame rate cap, and controller mapping so input feels right. These steps reduce lag and avoid visual stutters during gameplay. Finish by validating the experience. Launch a short game to test controller responsiveness, audio sync, and visuals. If anything feels off, first power cycle the console and router, then recheck that both devices are signed into the same Microsoft account and remote features remain enabled. If the app can't find the console, try connecting by local IP or disable VPNs and check firewall or NAT type. As a final tip, switch to wired connections or reduce streaming resolution to relieve latency or buffering problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.